How to make a fault model. What is a fault? Fault is a fracture or zone of fractures between two blocks of rock. What is a fault model? Fault model is a handmade representation of a fault. The fault model is made up of two parts that fit together. The flat surface between the two parts represents the fault plane. Materials needed: fault model pattern, pair of scissors, paste, or glue. Procedure: 1. Photocopy the fault model pattern. You can also trace it on paper, then cut along the lines of the two drawings. 2. Fold along lines and paste where indicated. In the end, you should have a model consisting of two parts that fit together. Left, the fault model is made of two parts that fit together. Right, the flat surface between the two parts represents the fault plane. 3. The upper surface of the model represents the surface of the earth. The trace of the fault on the surface of the earth is called the fault line. Be ready to point out the fault line when your teacher calls on you. 4. Pull the two pieces apart. The flat surface between the two pieces is called the fault plane. This is where fault slip or fault movement happens. Point out the fault plane when your teacher asks you. 5. The place where the fault begins to slip is called the focus. It is where the first movement occurs. Thus, the focus is the origin of the earthquake. Be ready to explain it to your teacher. 6. Put the two pieces of the model together. The focus is now hidden underground. Now, imagine a vertical line from the focus to the upper surface of the model. Mark the place where you expect the line to come up. The spot directly above the focus on the surface of the earth is called the epicenter. Show the epicenter of your model to your teacher. Use your model to show different types of movement along a fault. How would the surroundings be affected?